Ay, nasa sila? Late na kami. Ito.
Ayan.
Three Wonders. Dwayne, are you excited to watch Filipino movie?
Tagalog, I understand everything. Taglish.
Barbie?
Barbie nung ano?
Thank
10 years
you.
ago.
Take the 2 bottles, please. Let's wait, madam, here. We're going to watch... Anong title? P77. Compare ko. Sobra nagmamadali. Okay. Later the review. Bye. Ready?
Parang sa Sophia. Parang ang saya-saya niya dito. Parang si Sophia. Parang anak ko. Sabi ni Tita, akala daw nila magkapatid kami ni Madam.
Sabi nga nila.
Huwag ako.
I don't know what.
Magaling si Barbie. Napaiyak niya ako at one point. Kaso, sanga-sanga yung movie.
Madahing sanga. Literal.
Hindi ko na alam kung tayo ba yung baliw o yung mga characters.
What could you say?
I don't know what I watched. But the end was
The
emotional.
jump scares, you were also scared.
No spoiler, okay?
It was scary. And no spoiler, but don't go to work on the ship. Bad things will happen.
How about you?
Ewan ko. Ingatan natin ang ating mga...
Kalusugan, mahal sa buhay. Galing ang acting ni Barbie.
Basta
Pero,
po hindi po natin...
maganda yung story, pero
Bet ko yung ano.
ang gulo,
Basta
magulo
po
yung
hindi po natin
pag-construct, no?
kasalanan lahat.
Ang gulo ng construction ng movie.
The
Pero,
acting was great.
yeah, the acting.
Galing mo, Barbie. Barbie.
Barbie.
Sana kasing kiss kita.
Bet ko yung ano, tulog-uhog.
Barbie, ang galing mo.
Bobby, if you see this video,
Yeah, Barbie, if
You see this video? I'll give
ang
it
galing mo.
you're invited to Bataan.
You're invited to cruise.
Okay, yun lang. Bye, Barbie. Showing sa SM. Bye.